Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this very pretty beaded star keychain. It's a very quick and easy to do project even for absolute beginners. So let's get into the tutorial. The materials that we need in order to crochet this keychain are a 2.5 mm crochet hook. I've taken this wooden beads, dark brown in color, a 4-ply cotton yarn. You should see to that the yarn color closely matches up with the bead color, a key ring, a tapestry needle and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with this keychain, first we shall make this beaded star and then later on work with the hangings. So for that I have taken this yarn which measures approximately 50 centimeter. Now in order to make the star, in total we'll be needing about 25 wooden beads. So initially insert 10 beads into the yarn. So as you can see, I have inserted 10 beads. Now we shall just tie knots so as to form a circle. So here I have formed this little circle. Now just pull this excess yarn into the beads using a fine hook. Now insert the needle into the first bead in this way. Insert 2 beads. Skip the next bead and insert your needle to the next one. Again, insert 2 beads into the needle. Skip the next bead and insert into the third bead. So this will be repeating for 3 more times. Now skip the next bead and insert your needle into the next bead. Finally, insert your needle into the first bead. So after the second row, our star looks in this way. Now we'll be working with the final row. For that, insert your needle to the next bead. And now you'll be inserting your needle to the next 2 beads like this. So you have formed the first point of the star. So just watch out the way I am doing it. pull the yarn tightly. Now finally insert your needle to the last 2 beads. So that forms the pretty star. Now we shall add the keyring to this point. So going through the 2 beads like this. Once again insert your needle to the ring so that it gets fixed firmly. And insert your needle to the next 2 beads. So you have added the keyring to the star. Now tie knots and cut this yarn. So in order to secure the yarn, just go to 2 to 3 beads. So our star part is done. Now we shall work with the spiral hangings. So you can just leave it as it is, as this itself looks very pretty, or you can add this spiral hangings as I'll be doing right now. So for that I have taken this brown color yarn. Make a slip knot. And work 18 chains. So here I have done with 18 chains. Now skip the first 3 chains from the hook and insert your hook into the 4th chain and work 1 double crochet. The first 3 chains that we have initially skipped makes the first double crochet, and this is the second one. Into the same stitch work 1 more double crochet. So in total I have worked 3 double crochets. So the sequence of this round is to work 3 double crochets into each of the chains. So this is how our work looks after working 3 double crochets into each of the chains. Now we shall just curl it so as to shape it up. So go to the start point. So here we have worked one of the hangings. Now we shall work the next one. For that again work 18 chains. So here I worked 18 chains, and now we'll be repeating the sequence. Skip the first 3 chains from the hook and going into the 4th chain, work 2 double crochets. So including the first 3 chains, in all we have worked 3 double crochets. Now the pattern is the same. That is, you'll be working 3 double crochets into each of the chains. So once I'm done with it, I shall get back. So here I worked the second hanging in similar way as we had done the previous one. After that I've cut this yarn and left a little bit of longer tail so that it can be used to attach this hanging to our beaded star. So before doing that, we shall just sew along the top part. So we'll be attaching this to the bead just opposite to the bead where we have put the key ring. So going into this bead, insert your needle. So that completes our beaded star keychain. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.